Alright guys, so we are finally at the end of this mini series of speed reviews, and yeah, we have reached the final product, and I wanted to end up with brows. As you guys can see, I haven't touched my brows at all because I am going to be reviewing a eyebrow grooming stencil type of thingy. It comes in a packaging like this. I got it off of Amazon. So there are three different listings with the same eyebrow stencils. It comes with a eyebrow pencil. It comes with the eyebrow razor too. And it comes with 8 different stencils. I am going to draw every single one to show you guys every single shape. These have 3 stars on Amazon, so not very highly rated. It has 412 ratings actually. You have 2 ways of wearing these. You can either put this little plasticky thingy. It comes with a little heart, and you can see the stencils has a heart too. So you just put the heart in there, and then you clip it shut like so, like that. So you can use it holding this little thingy. So that's one way. Or you can actually attach the little string that they give you on each side and just wear it like that. This is what the eyebrow pencil looks like. Oof. You get a spoolie on one end, and this is the pencil. Oh my god, I think it's going to be a little too dark for me. Oh god. And this is what the little razor looks like. But I'm gonna start with number 1, and I'm gonna show you every single eyebrow. So alright you guys, this is absolutely awful. It is the worst eyebrow pencil I've ever tried in my life. This is one shape. It's straight up 2 lines, like 2 rectangles on my eyes. Like, this is absolutely awful. What? Which one was this? This was number 1. Alright. I'm going to switch eyebrow pencils to something that I like. And I don't like this string. So I'm going to keep drawing every single one with this guy over here. Alright you guys, I have to come out here. This is my 4th eyebrow. This eyebrow stencils are horrible. I just can't get... The only way I managed to get some product in there was with eyeshadow. These are horrible. No wonder they have a bad ratings on Amazon. Like, I feel like just stopping right here. They're all freaking too thick, and even if I align them with my brows, you see this? These are my real brows. They go down, and these eyebrow stencils are straight up like that above my... I mean, if I were to trim that, I'm gonna continue, but I really feel like just... Did I break it? Oh, I just broke it. Yeah. It broke on me. So that was number 4. Alright, so this is eyebrows number 7. I think these are my favorite. You guys can see my real brows peeking through, but I think these are a lot thinner. I think these so far are my favorite ones. Alright you guys, so this is eyebrow number 8. Again, I'm not showing you a technique how to fill them, how to set them, how to draw them. No, I'm just showing you the shape of these eyebrows. And I honestly don't trust this kit to cut my brows. Like, I would have to cut all this and all this. So without makeup, without eyebrows, it's gonna look funky because I'm gonna basically have a big patch of hair missing. Anyways, thank you so much.